favorite ocean colors are in this color scheme. So some of my standard watercolor paint colors for the ocean, one of them is Horizon Blue. This is Holbein. Another one is going to be Cobalt Green. For the lightest color in my ocean water, it's going to be these two colors. I really love these. Two other favorites is Peacock Blue by Holbein and Ultramarine Blue Deep. And this is a great one, Ultramarine Blue, towards the horizon. Usually horizon line is going to be pretty dark, and then it's going to lighten up. And as I bring my ocean forward, I will have pockets of Peacock Blue in there, and then I will mix in these other colors for the light tone.